tried to change insurance companies, she was sure to list her pre-existing conditions on the application and even called her new company to confirm she'd be covered. 2 months later, she has never even been on the table. And many Americans questioned whether government could fulfill its responsibilities to respond in a crisis or contribute to a recovery that covered parts of 4 states, country, and covered all kinds of topics, from jobs and the economy to education and energy. Lots of people also submitted different versions of another question. My husband worries every day about if checks might bounce. He uses our home loan to put money in the business so they will be covered. Healthcare will be able to get covered for less than $100 a month. So our economy is gaining traction, and we're finally tackling. So get covered at healthcare.gov. And it's especially frustrating for the Americans who've been trying to get covered. We've got more kids to educate and families to get covered with health insurance and an immigration system to fix. You can go online or call 1-800-318-2596 and get covered for 2015. And we've spent the last year improving.
I hear it provides peace of mind that someone you love will be covered if, God forbid, something happens.
With this case behind us, we're going to keep working to make health care in America even better and more affordable, and to get even more people covered. I'll come visit the city that enrolls the highest percentage of folks who aren't covered right now. We've now covered more than 17 million people, dropping the rate of the uninsured below 10% for the very first time. We've brought more than 17 million Americans into our healthcare system, seen healthcare prices grow at the lowest rate in 50 years, and covered more than 90% of our people for the very first time. In fact, for the first time ever, more than 90% of Americans are covered. We've covered another 20 million Americans with health insurance. And if there's someone you care about who hasn't signed up yet, help them get covered today, too. If you're not covered yet, now is the time to sign up. You can still sign up on healthcare.gov until January 31st and get covered for 2017.